Hello and welcome everyone. Uh, my name is Yasir, and today this is our last session of Introduction to Economics and Accounting series. First of all, we will reflect on what we have learned over the past three lectures and how these concepts connect to our understanding of continuous and economics and accounting. So, if anyone is there, I hope you can see my screen and can you hear my voice clearly? Please do let me know if there is any issue. Right. So our journey has taken us through business accounting principles, economics factors affecting businesses, and financial accounting application. So we have explored the fundamental role of accounting in business decision making, the impact of economics factors such as and interest rate, and the practical application of financial accounting principles, including journal entries, trial balance, and financial statement. This session will serve as summary of our key learning points, reinforcing the knowledge we have required and preparing us to apply these concepts effectively in real-world business scenarios. So let's take a closer look at how far we have come in understanding the uh, essential of economics and accounting. So before I get started, can you see my screen and can you hear my voice? If there is any issue, okay, or any question so far regarding any previous session, if anyone is there. Okay, so in our first session, we developed a foundational understanding of business accounting and its significance. We learned that accounting is the systematic process of recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions, allowing businesses to track their financial health and make informed decisions. We also covered key accounting terms such as assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses, and net income, which form the building blocks of financial statements. Additionally, we discussed different forms of businesses ownership, including sole trader, partnership, and private limited companies, highlighting their advantage, disadvantage, and implication for financial management. Any question about session one? If anyone is there. Okay, in our second lecture, we shifted our focus to economics and its impact on businesses. We examined different measures of money, M1, M0 to M4, and understood how each category represent varying degree of liquidity and accessibility in an economy. Uh, in our third lecture, we focused on practical application of financial economics principles. We learned how to process simple accounting statements using the double entry system, ensuring that every transaction maintained the balance of the accounting equation assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. We also worked on balancing a business account by correctly recording debits and credits, and we created a trial balance to verify that all financial transactions were accurately recorded. A major part of this session involved calculating period and adjustments, which helped us understand the importance of recognizing revenue and expenses in the correct accounting period. Additionally, we learned how to important financial statements, analyzing an income statement and balance sheet to assess business profitability, liquidity, and solvency. The understanding allowed us to identify financial strengths and weaknesses, evaluate financial ratios, and make informed recommendations for business performance improvement. Any questions so far? regarding any of these sessions? Okay, so overall learning outcomes throughout these three lectures, we gained a comprehensive understanding of both theoretical and practical aspect of economics and accounting. We developed financial analysis skills, learned how to prepare and interpret financial statements, and understood the broader economic factors that impact businesses. This knowledge will now be applied to completing our assignments, where we will demonstrate our ability to answer theoretical questions, process accounting records, and analyze financial statements effectively. These concepts are only crucial for academic success, but will also be valuable in real world business and financial decision making. So now we will discuss how to successfully complete your OTHM level 3 business studies assignment. Uh, this assignment is designed to test your understanding of accounting and economic concepts and how well you can apply them in practical business scenario. So basically, uh, assignment consists of two key tasks: application form task 1. This section tests your knowledge of key accounting and economic concepts. Trial balance assessment task 2. This section requires you to apply financial accounting principles, prepare journal entries, financial statements, and analyzing business performance. In this lecture, we will go through each part of the assignment. We'll explain how to structure your answer properly to meet the assessment criteria. So let's begin. Task 1, this section is designed to test your knowledge and understanding of fundamental accounting and economic concepts. Each question requires a clear and structured answer with relevant explanation, set step-to-step guide to completing task 1. So explain and give example of the following. Sorry, what is accounting? Uh, Start by providing a clear definition of accounting, focus on how accounting is used to businesses to record financial transactions, manage finance, and support decision making. Uh, Explain and give examples for the following terms: assets, explain and give example of key accounting terms. You will ask to explain several accounting terms such as asset, liabilities, revenue, expenses, and net income. Now, clearly define each term, explain why each term is important in business, provide the example for each to illustrate its practical use. Then what is difference between sole trader, a partnership, and a private limited company? Explain why each term is explain how each type of business is structured, highlight the advantages and disadvantage of each, discuss key differences in liability, ownership, and financial management. uh, Explain the difference between M0 and M4 in context of money. So in this question, you must differentiate between difference measure of money. Why does the Bank of England increase or decrease interest rate? Explain how interest rate influence borrowing and investment. Discuss how high and low interest rates affects inflation, spending and saving. Then explain the effect of exchange rate on businesses. You need to describe how fluctuation in exchange rate impacts businesses. Uh, Explain how a strong or weak currency affect exports and imports. Describe how exchange rates influence businesses, costs, and profitability. Any questions, any concerns, any issues so far? Okay, so next is task 2 about trial balance, section 1.32 or 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 4, 3.5, and 3.6. So after instructions, after successfully completing the first stage of recruitment, you are now required to answer question and submit to the recruitment team of the company. Delivery, all the questions should be answered and assessed, which can be basis for your being hired in the prestigious accounting firm. Submission written answer, trial balance, task 2, you are a temporary bookkeeper hired by Repair Phone Limited for the busy session. Your job is to journalize transactions that occur. This service operation is run by James Smith, who started the business with £2,500 in cash. He has given you the following transactions. Purchase of 25 phone screens with cash 750. All of the supply will be sold this month. Purchase of computer required on account from computer supply for £1,000. Sale of 20 phone screens £2,000. Payment of wages in cash 500. Purchases of phone cases in cash from case supply 800. Sale of phone cases £1,600. Payment on accounting to computer supply for £100. So required, prepare the necessary journal entries showing the debit and credit entries. In addition, provide a brief explanation of each entry. Use the following account names: cash, equipment, account payable, phone screen sales, wage expenses, phone screen expenses, phone cases expenses, phone cases sales, damaged goods. Prepare a trial balance. Please note that one of the phone screen broke during a repair and needs to be written off £30, and you will need to adjust the trial balance accordingly. Prepare an income statement, prepare a balance sheet, answer the following question: which is more profitable, the sale of phone cases or the sale of repaired screen? Is this a profitable business? What should be recommended to James Smith submission? Indicative words count £2,000. So I'll go now one by one. I will explain you. So prepare journal entries, record each business transaction using the double entry system. Ensure that every debit has a corresponding credit to keep the books balance. Use appropriate account names, for example, cash, account payable, sales revenue. Then prepare a trial balance, list all account balance in structured format. Ensure that total debits equal total credits. Identify any errors, discrepancies that need adjustments. Adjust the trial balance for damaged goods. Identify the account affected by the damaged goods. Adjust the trial balance accordingly to reflect the loss. Make sure that the adjustment keep the balance accurate. Prepare an income statement. Number 4, then uh, prepare a balance sheet. Organize in this section, organize assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Ensure that total asset match total liabilities and equity. Confirms that the business financial position is correctly represented. Next one is answer the following. Uh, Compare profit from phone case sales versus phone screen repairs analysis. If the business is profitable overall, each section should be completed carefully and accurately, ensuring that all calculation and financial statements are correct and well organized. Yeah, that's it for your tasks. Then references, guides for assignments. When completing your assignment, it is important to follow proper referencing guideline to acknowledge source, avoid plagiarism, and provide credibility to your work. You are expected to use a consistent references. Uh, you are expected to use a consistent referencing style such as Harvard referencing system to cite all the sources you reference in your answer. Proper referencing is essential to demonstrate your research skills and academic integrity. Make sure to cross check all citation before submitting your work. Uh, to ensure a successful submission, follow the assignment guidelines and requirements carefully. Formatting and structure. Use a clear and readable font such as Time New Roman or Arial size 12. Double space to use 1.5 line spacing. Use heading and subheadings to organize your answer logically. Ensures all answers are written in full sentence with proper program and grammar and spelling. Uh, Complete all section of task 1 and tasks 2. Task 1 is application form and task 2 trial balance assessment. Review and proofread your answer to ensure clarity and accuracy. Attach all required financial statements, trial balance, income statement, and balance sheet. Ensure correct referencing and attach a reference list of external resource are used. Save the file in the required format, Word document or PDF as specified by your institution. Uh, Finally, submit your assignment via the designated online portal. Ensure that you receive a confirmation of your submission. Keep a backup copy of your work in case of any technical issue. Meeting the submission guidelines will ensure that your assignment is graded fairly and assessed accurately. If you have any question regarding the submission process, please reach out well in advance of the deadline. Yeah, that's it for today. So, in our today's session, we reviewed the key insights from our past three lectures, reflecting on how accounting and economics principles shape business operation. We strengthened our understanding of financial recording, business structure, economic influence, and financial statements analysis, all of which are crucial for making informed financial decisions. This knowledge will help you apply these concepts in your upcoming assignments, demonstrating your ability to analyze financial data, interpret economic changes, and prepare accurate financial statements. Thank you very much for your attention. So, if you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. So you can drop me you can drop me an email at yasir@ukversity.co.uk. Good luck for your assignment, and I hope I'll see you in any other module or subjects. Thank you, and good luck, everyone. And bye for now.